Ted, ano masasabi mo sa panalo ng ating kababayan?
Sobrang proud. Sobrang proud. Of course, nakasabay ko yan sa tawag ng tanghalan. Naniniwala talaga ako na that guy just had to wait for his time. Kasi yun, off-cam kasi we text. And syempre, exchange ng samaan ng loob minsan, disappointments, frustrations. But one thing that I noticed, meron siyang purpose talaga, and it was for it's for his family and for his mom, and kaya siguro yung nag-push talaga sa kanya to do whatever he can to reach that dream, and yun, I'm very very proud.
You know what? Yun na nga, speaking of samaan ng loob, yung mga netizen nagsasabi, hindi nyo naman pinanalo dati. Ano masasabi mo tungkol doon?
Well, meron talaga mga naysayers, meron talagang nakatutok sa negative aspect nun. But, again, as I mentioned, everything has its right time. Everything has its moment talaga, di ba? So, imagine, ang galing-galing niya eh. And, tamang oras lang talaga. Tamang oras lang. And he deserves it.
I love it.